And we're back. Today I'm just fucking with the Bombardier ds650 here that I bought 2 years ago and let it sit for a year and a half. The other day replaced the starter gasket and the oil filter. It's leaking right up in here from those 2-3 wire. And we got our exhaust leak and some weight reduction, But right now, just focusing on our front brakes, because all gas, no brakes. I've isolated the leak to right here. This little fucking gasket was not sealed. Little copper washer. So I'm gonna double those up with the old ones. Oh yeah, I replaced the master cylinder too. Nice new shiny. Not all stripped out on the screws. Well, let's see. We're just gonna stitch you right up here. Yeah. Just robbing old parts. Taking the bolt and 2 copper washers from the old master cylinder, and I'm going to be using them on the caliper now. See if that doesn't solve our problem. And of course, we get to re-bleed the brakes like that. Okay, hopefully that solves our problem. If not, I'm going to take it back off and stick another washer on that backside. Where'd that wrench go? Well, this bleeder might be a little stuck. So I'm taking the whole thing out just to bleed my brakes. I ain't too worried about it. What do you even need those for, right? Yeah, I don't see any more drippy. I think we might be good. Finish bleeding these brakes and then we'll see. Yeah, it's solid. Yep, we're bled. Good to go. I don't think it's leaking anymore either. Sweet. Yeah, they're tight. Just like we like. All right. Ow. We have successfully bled our front brakes. We no longer have a leak. We're good to go. We got moved. This ain't very good. Still rolling. Brakes work good. that's it. We're one step closer to riding season. Gotta get me a GoPro so we can record. Not worry about my phone flying off. Until next time, my chariot. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.